Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude 4.4 was occurred in Guatemala. The quake hits Guatemala today, 10th April 2022, early in the morning, 6 a.m. local time, 10 kilometers shallow depth. U.S. Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.4, and European Mediterranean Seismological Center also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel for more updates.